In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use private mode on Grok AI. If you're looking for a quick way to chat without keeping a record, this walkthrough will help you turn on private mode confidently and understand what it does. We'll keep things simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to start a private session and what to expect once it's on. First, open your Grok account. This simply means accessing Grok through your usual entry point, whether that's your web browser or the official app, and getting to the main interface where you normally start a conversation. Make sure you're on the authentic Grok site or app to protect your security and that your internet connection is stable so everything loads as expected. Next, log into your account. Use your normal sign-in method and complete any prompts you typically see. Logging in ensures you can access all features tied to your account, including private mode. If you use additional security measures, follow those as you normally would. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main chat area or dashboard. Now, look toward the top of your screen for an option labeled Private. This may appear as a clearly marked button or a toggle in the top bar, depending on your device and screen size. It's designed to be easy to spot. When you see Private, click it. That's all it takes to switch your session into private mode. After you click Private, your chat history won't be recorded in your account's conversation list. In other words, the conversations you start while private mode is on won't show up later when you return to your history. This is ideal when you're exploring sensitive topics, drafting ideas you don't want saved, or simply prefer not to keep a trail of that particular session. Keep in mind that private mode affects saving to your history. It doesn't change how the system processes your message in real time to generate a response, and it won't retroactively remove any past conversations that were already saved before you turned it on. A helpful tip is to confirm you see a visual indicator, like a private label or distinct styling, so you know you're in the right mode before you start typing. If you don't see the indicator, give the page a moment to refresh or ensure you clicked the correct control. That's it. Open your Grok account, log in, find the private control at the top, click it, and your chat won't be recorded in your history. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a clean, private session.